Deep in the open ocean, a school of tiny fish swims directly toward the largest creature in the sea. They do not scatter, they do not flee, they vanish, one by one, into a mouth that could swallow a small boat. For the humpback whale, these tiny visitors mean freedom from a burden that has grown on its body for a lifetime. For the little fish, that same whale is an endless larder, a mountain of food that moves through the sea. To understand this alliance, you have to understand what a lifetime in the ocean does to a whale's skin. For decades, barnacles cement themselves to its jaw, its fins, its tail. Whale lice cling in the thousands to soft folds around the eyes and blowhole. Dead skin peels, but never truly falls away. And here is the strange truth of the deep. The largest heart on earth beats inside a body that cannot reach the itch it feels, mighty and defenseless in the same breath. So the whale tries. It breaches, launching 40 tons of muscle into the sky, slamming back into the ocean. For a moment, the parasites loosen, then hold on. It rolls its massive body against a sandy seabed, and the itch quiets, just for a heartbeat, then returns, sharper than before. It scrapes its flank against underwater rocks, twisting to reach the barnacles. Still they cling. Nothing it does alone is ever enough. So the whale slows and dives, down to where a cluster of tiny bodies is already waiting in the current. From the water column they come, schools of cleaner fish, brave, quick, and impossibly skilled, specialists born to service the ocean's largest bodies. As the whale drifts into their territory, it does something remarkable. It hangs vertical in the water, motionless, and slowly opens its jaws. The door is open, a truce, sealed without a word. What follows is a deep clean like no other. The little fish stream inside, nibbling parasites from the baleen, picking dead skin from the tongue, scissoring whale lice away from the eyelids. They are hygienist, healer, and housekeeper wrapped in silver scales. The fish eat their fill. The whale, at last, is lightened of a weight it has carried for years. Each departs the richer for the trade. This is the ocean's oldest bargain, the biggest heart on earth, trusting the smallest bodies in the sea. The strongest bodies still need the smallest friends. Not even the ocean's giants can survive alone.